that stand that the motor is sitting on would be in the way, because the motor is going to go on right here. I'm also going to need to adjust that starter. The starter is set for the, right now it's set for the big flywheel. I need to adjust that down for the small one. Oh, the joy. See if I can do that from right in here. Might want to use my iron wrench for that. Now I could put a little bolt in here now that I've moved this, but I'm gonna get me a washer and put one on this other side where I've got kind of a longish threaded rod thing in here that I use for that. Oh, the joy. I need to get me some lock washers and stuff here in a minute anyway. I actually might want to take this off. I've got a bolt in here. But I need to go find me some more lock washers. Y'all save my spot. I'll be right back. So I'm going to change this starter screw here. Not long enough. I bet one of these will be. Now I want to try this starter before I put it in the car, because sometimes you have to shim these to get them to fit just right. So I'm gonna put the battery over here, hook that up, spin this motor over a couple times, and then see what I think. I could put that old starter on there that like the old style, but I like that new one a lot better. Seems like she's good. I might have to rest here real quick. Alright, I might need to get this out of that cradle before I can put the transmission on. Alrighty then, I thought I'd come out here and bring y'all up to speed on where we are and what we're doing and where we're at and what happened.